We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S in black. This model does have ABS on it. You can tell from the tone ring right there. This bike is extremely light, really easy to ride. It'd be a great first bike or maybe an intermediate bike. The seat is really comfortable, and this bike is extremely quiet as well. Keys right here in the front. And for miles, we are at 21,742. And like I said before, this bike is extremely quiet. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.